The neurological basis of hypnotherapy. The brain is such a wondrously complex organism that after centuries of study, its processes are yet poorly understood. Pathological and neurotypical function alike are subject to many questions still unanswered. However, recent advances have helped our view of the brain evolve by leaps and bounds. Our originally molecular and compartmentalized approach to the brain has given way to a more holistic understanding, allowing available therapies to grow by similar leaps and bounds. The holistic approach has in particular been instrumental in allowing one advance with important practical implications. The use of hypnotherapy as an independent therapy, an adjunct to reinforce psychotherapy, improving neurological adaptation, and therefore clinical success. On the one hand, advances in hypnotherapy have vastly improved its utility as a technique since the days of Franz Mesmer, but understanding of why it might work has presented an ongoing puzzle. Many watched and applauded Milton Erickson's work, but were concerned of how to replicate it. Since the 1970s, neuro-linguistic programming has been praised. Evidence-based review of hypnotherapy and its value only begun to gain steam after 2000. Our understanding of schizophrenia has improved to the point where it is now thought to be a disorder of deep structure rather than a deficiency in a single area of the brain. We now see the serotonin-dopamine complex to be a homeostatic system within the entire theatre of the consciousness, rather than two individual neurotransmitters whose excess or insufficiency can be fixed with a simple medication. And thanks to the works of psychobiologists, we are now beginning to understand the brain's miraculous power of adaptation and how it can be guided. Emerging research and clinical practice are helping neuroscience and hypnotherapy to converge, and as researchers such as Ernest Rossi are demonstrating today. This is in part the introduction to the Master Course of Neurohypnotherapy. It will be released in 2024.